Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use editing a feature on Instagram Reels. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create an Instagram Reel to show you the editing feature. I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to select a reel. I'm going to select reel and then I'm going to use some images from my gallery. I'm going to use this image. Oops. I'm going to select this image, this one, and this one as well. Then I'm going to click on next, and then the editing feature will be activated automatically to sync our clips to any track we add to our Instagram reel. Okay, you can choose the music for your Instagram reel and you can choose the suggested music right here. This is the recommended music from the Instagram. Okay, and then if you want to search for the music, you can click on search. And then, for example, I'm just going to search for the song. Okay, you can choose the music that you like, and the Instagram will automatically sync your clips to any track you have selected. Okay, now it's done guys, and you can click on next. All right, and then if you want to edit the video before you upload it to your Instagram reel, you can click on edit video right here. Then you can add transition and add filter effect. It's up to you. And I'm just going to add transition. I'm going to choose for example this flare transition. Okay, I'm going to apply same transition to all my clips, so I'm gonna select apply to all. Okay, now the transition has been applied guys, and I'm going to check it. Okay, now it's done, and then I'm going to click on this icon, and once we're ready to share this Instagram reels, we can click on share. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use editing feature on Instagram reel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.